How to create account on the Splice. If you want to use the Splice and wondering on how to create your account on it, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser that you use, just like this. After opening it, tap Splice, just like this, and you will find the Splice app just right here. Now tap on it to create the account. After that, you will see something like this. Now to create account, tap on to login right here. Select it. Now to create account, simply tap on to sign up right here. Now tap on it. After that, add your email address just like this and add your password. After creating the password, tap on to continue. And now you can see you have been logged in onto the Splice. And that's it. This is how you can create account on the Splice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.